Hey, Chris here, welcome back to the channel. Yes, a man has been arrested for matched betting, and in this video we're going to look at why police arrested John Howard and then had him sent to the courts where he was sentenced to 5 years in prison. Before we get into it though, I'll just quickly mention the Profit Boss Match Betting Facebook group where we talk all things legal match betting, which you can check out via the link down in the description if you're not yet a member. But having said that, getting onto the laptop here, we're here on the Essex Police website and we can just have a look through the article and basically just see what's happened here. So it says, man jailed after betting fraud, and we can scroll down and there's John Howard and just the one photo and it says jailed. A man has been jailed after he was convicted of conspiracy to commit fraud by false representation against online gambling company Bet365. John Howard, 40, of Tawney Lane, Stapleford, Tawney, was jailed for 5 years for conspiracy to commit... Oh, and then they just repeated that. And it was in Basildon Crown Court on Thursday the 13th of April. Currently filming this on the 24th of April, so not that long ago, just over a week ago. Then goes on to say he was also convicted of conspiracy to commit fraud against Bank Santander. John Howard had always denied the charges but was convicted at the conclusion of a 4-week trial ending on Tuesday the 14th of March, where he was remanded in custody until sentencing. Howard was part of a syndicate who created online accounts to bet without the limitations placed on a single account. He therefore collected bonuses to which he would never otherwise have been entitled to. So that's of course match betting, where we join a bookmaker in our own name of course and take advantage of the bonuses that bookies give out to lure people into using their site. It states Howard was accused of being central to the criminal enterprise, which dated back to 2008 and involved over 1,000 online betting accounts. Throughout the fraud, it was estimated he received £236,000. But it goes on to say the court had heard how people willingly gave their details over to Howard, who then impersonated them to access Bet365's services. This enabled him to utilize bonuses and circumvent the company's checks and balances. Then as part of the investigation here, so Detective Sergeant Mike Monkton of Kent and Essex Serious Crime Detectorate said betting online in someone else's name is against the terms of use. The whole enterprise was dishonest and designed to deceive the gambling company. When we were notified in 2018, we embarked upon a lengthy and complex investigation that took some time to unravel. When we executed a warrant at John Howard's address in Stapleford, Tawney in February 2019, it was obvious that this was set up to look like any other legal business. Hours were spent trawling through the paperwork in different names, receipts for luxury items, bank books, and 177 SIM cards that were seized from the address. Substantial sums of money were involved. But please do comment below with your thoughts. Was 5 years a bit too harsh, or should he have had more time? Really want to know everyone's opinion on this. And of course, do press the like button if you enjoyed this video. Until next time, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.